Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to turn off a Bose Soundlink Flex Bluetooth speaker. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I know that you might be thinking that it's difficult to turn this thing off, but it's not. And there are a couple different ways to do this. I'm going to give you a full tutorial, but also an easy tutorial on how to do this, okay? So first and foremost, when the speaker is on, I'm going to turn it on, okay? So it's going to tell you what the battery level is, and it's going to tell you whether it's trying to connect to something. So it's trying to connect to a device over here. I've disconnected from the device, so it probably won't find it right now. But when you want to, so it's saying the device is not found. Now it's ready to pair. Okay, as you can see with the blue light flashing. So in whatever state it's in, whether it's connected to a device, trying to connect to a device, or ready to pair, whatever the state it's in, if you want to turn it off, all that you have to do is just press this power button down, just like this. So watch, it's on. We're going to press the power button, and now the light turned off. All the lights turned off. It's off. A lot of people think you have to hold down the power button. You don't. You just press it and it turns off. So that's the most basic way to turn it off manually. But there is another built-in feature that I want to address with regards to turning it off. So just stay tuned. And I'm going to tell you how to adjust that feature as well. So it does have an auto off after 20 minutes of inactivity. So essentially, if no audio has been playing for 20 minutes and you haven't touched any of the buttons for 20 minutes, you haven't tried to pair it for 20 minutes or anything like that. So if it's inactive for 20 minutes, it's going to automatically power off. It's a really cool power saving feature. Okay, most devices have this feature, but the coolest thing about this is that you can turn that feature off in itself. So if you want to turn off the auto off feature, no pun intended, you can disable it by pressing the multi-function button, which is this button in the middle, and the plus button at the same time. So press these simultaneously when the device has been powered on, when the device is powered on, and it will tell you that auto off is disabled. Okay, and this goes without being said, but I'm going to say it anyways. If you want to turn auto off back on, the feature back on, you just press those two buttons once again. And that is it. That is how to turn off the Bose Soundlink Flex Bluetooth speaker. An easy tutorial for how to turn it off, how to use or to outline the auto off feature, and then how to turn off the auto off feature, and then how to turn back on the auto off feature as well. A little bit complex there with the wording, but you know, at the end of the day, I showed you exactly how to do it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.